welcome back to Conde TV. I'm Tori, and today we are working with our poly linen fabrics. Now these are our bags. They can be used as a cosmetic bag, device storage, a pencil pouch, or even a coin purse. They come in a variety of sizes, and they feel like a natural linen fiber. So you get that organic look and that organic texture. And the color looks nice now, but once you put that image on it, it absorbs color beautifully. So it's gonna look really great once it's sublimated. And the larger ones even come with a little clip-on handle that we're gonna attach once we finish sublimating. So let's go ahead and get started. So the items I brought with me today are my Conde Pro Spray or heat tape. I'm gonna be using the Pro Spray though. I brought my sticky lint roller, my 2 images that I've already cut out. I have my blank poly linen bag, and then also my protective paper. Now I want to be sure that the little clasp is off of my bag because I don't want to use it until we're finished sublimating. I'm going to take my sticky lint roller and get off any debris that might actually be sticking onto our linen because we don't want it to ruin our image or be sublimated into our bag. Once I'm finished with that, we're going to head over to the press for a quick pre-press. Before I put my bag onto the press, I'm going to make sure to have some protective paper down. Actually, let's do it that way. And also, the bags have a cute little zipper that holds everything nice and secure inside, but you don't want that to be pressed. So I'm going to hang it off the side here. That's also important to keep in mind when designing your graphics because you don't want to have an image that might be cut off when you hang it off the side there. So we've got it nice and lined up. I'm going to do my pre-press. And be sure to check out all of the latest instructions over on Conde.com. So I just pre-pressed my product, and the reason we do this is not only to get the moisture out of our linen bag, but it also gives us a nice flat surface to work with. So now that we're finished with the pre-press, we're ready to apply our image. Before we apply our image, we're going to take our Conde Pro Spray and spray our image with it. And I like to always do this over a trash can, not near my furniture, so I don't ruin it. And then we're going to take our bag and line it up, making sure it's nice and centered so that name is seen nicely. I think we're good to go. So let's go ahead and give it a press. Now that we're back over here at the press, we're going to take our butcher paper and put it down so that we can press the image face down and get it sublimating. Now remember that trick I told you during the pre-press of having the zipper hang off the side there, and we do that so it doesn't ruin the image or the press, and because the zipper gets really hot. Once we have it hanging off the side, we're going to cover it with another piece of butcher paper, and it's ready to press. For all of the latest instructions, check out Conde.com. That sound means the first side of our poly linen bag is done. So let's take a look at it. That looks phenomenal. That looks really good. And we're gonna let it cool, and we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So I just finished up my poly linen cosmetic bag. I got both sides sublimated, and now I'm ready to clip on my little handle. It just goes right on the side there, and now it's ready to use. Now these bags come in a variety of sizes, so be sure to ask your Conde account agent which would be the best fit for you. For more tips, products, and services, visit Conde.com, and for more of my videos, be sure to watch Conde TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.